everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of your hyperpigmentation. Alright, so I'm going to show you my regimen that I've been using since January of this year, January 2019. Okay, so first things first, I use this Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Revealing Liquid Peel. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ooh. There you go, you can see it. It's from the Body Shop. Now, the texture of this peel, it feels like a glue. So it's gonna feel weird at first, but you pump out what you need and apply it on your face and like scrub it until it starts peeling off. And it's very, very weird, but it does wonders for you. Okay, and then after you rinse this off, then I use the Body Shop Vitamin C Daily Glow Cleansing Polish. Okay, and it's like a scrub, but it's also like a facial cleanser. I use it as a facial cleanser, so I use that afterwards. And then when it's time for my mask, I use my Turmeric Spot Treatment Coco Collective. I discovered this year and I love it. So what I do, this is what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. I apply it all over my face, not just on the acne scars, all over my entire face. Dark circles, everything. Under the neck, if you need it, everywhere. Right? It says here to apply and leave it on for 20 minutes. But what I like to do is I apply it on my face, and then I make my infamous Aztec clay mask, the Indian healing clay mask. I add apple cider vinegar to this in a mixture in a bowl. Mix it and apply it onto my face right after I add this to my face. Okay, and I wait for it to dry. You'll feel your face really, really, really tight, and that's when it's time to rinse it off. Okay, so after my Aztec clay mask, I like to make my own rose petal mask. The recipe is on my website, so I'm just gonna add it to the description, and it's wonderful. It's rose petals, honey, brown rice flour. Sometimes if I don't have that, I use regular flour and garlic. I think that's it. I'm gonna add the link in the description so you can make it yourself. It's really, really good. And I keep it in the fridge too, and add lots and lots and lots of honey. Lots of honey, so it won't go bad. Okay, so after you apply your rose petal mask, leave it on for 20 minutes, rinse it off. Then I like to use my witch hazel. I got this from Target. So my witch hazel, it's an astringent, gently cleanses and conditions skin, helps soothe and relieve minor skin irritations. Exactly what it does. Apply that on with a cotton round. Then I let it dry. Make sure you let it dry before you apply the next thing, which is the last step. So I add the pure Rosehip seed oil. And I love this because this is made for hyperpigmentation. It's just does wonders. It really does. See? Just apply a little bit on your fingertips. Apply, apply, apply. All over on your neck, and that's it. That's what I use to help get rid of my hyperpigmentation. Now, aside from that, I also eat well. I have my own nutrition program where it consists of eating whole foods, fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and juicing. So it actually sped up the process, eating my own plan. So I'm gonna tell you guys how you can schedule an appointment so we can discuss anything that you want to talk about. And yeah, thank you. Till next time.